Okay, let's talk about another classical neurotransmitter. This is norepinephrine. Norepinephrine, it turns out, is another catecholamine like dopamine. It's pretty close to dopamine. In fact, I want you to look at this pathway in terms of synthesis of norepinephrine. There's going to be some significant overlap with dopamine. Norepinephrine is actually also manufactured from tyrosine, the same amino acid that is the precursor, right, as the building block for dopamine. And in neurons that are going to release norepinephrine, they also produce synthesizing enzymes that will grab onto tyrosine and convert it to L-DOPA. They'll grab onto L-DOPA and then convert it into dopamine. But neurons that are going to release norepinephrine are going to actually synthesize or express one additional synthesizing enzyme, which takes the dopamine and converts it into norepinephrine. So dopamine and norepinephrine are pretty closely related compounds. It turns out this is significant. If you think about the neurotransmitter as kind of the key that's going to fit into receptors that are sort of a lock, right? You're gonna basically if you have keys that are similar, right, like dopamine and norepinephrine are similar, some drugs that may act at dopamine receptors may also act at some norepinephrine receptors. There can be some overlap there, right? So neurons that release norepinephrine, another crazy term, are actually called noradrenergic neurons.